Hi, this tutorial is on how to find downloaded files on an iPhone or iPad. If you've downloaded files to your iPhone or iPad, accessing them might be confusing compared to a Mac or PC. There's a special folder where iOS and iPad operating systems store downloads, and you can find it via the Files app. This process is shown on iPhone 12 with iOS 16.7. Here's how you will do that. You can access Files app from the menu. Another quick way to find and open any app is Spotlight Search. Swipe one finger downward from the middle of the home screen to open Spotlight Search. Type Files into the search bar. Tap on Files. Tap on the Browse tab at the bottom. Under Favorites, tap the Downloads folder. You will see your download files in it. Please note that the download location also depends on the type of file. For instance, if you have downloaded an image from Safari, you will find it in the Photos app. And if it is a music file, you will find it in the Library app. By the way, are you interested in the training to help you take good control of your emails, tasks, and projects and use your computer, smartphone, and tablets effectively to stay more productive? TurnerTime has a training program for you. Go to our website, www.turnertimemanagement.com, and schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with TurnerTime. You can also send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. And we look forward to being of service.